here from Crafting with Donna. Today I'm working on a diamond painting entitled Little Tiger, which I got from Wish.com. As it will take a while to complete, I'm going to skip through a lot of the process and just show you some stages to completion. Right, I'm going to start this. I'm working on the red on the nose. So you just dab it here. Oops. Made a mistake there. And always make sure you put glue into the pen. That would help. Now I'll be working on the dark blue, which is near its eyes. So we'll start this side first. And then we'll work on its inside eye. So just get two of these. So there's one, and there's another. Right, I'm going to work on the leg bit. Right, as you can see, I've done a bit. Push it in. Push it in. Oops. Got one of them. Push it in. Push it in. Do that bit. Right, so this is number 4. We get this done. As you can see, I've done a bit more. And then, oops, God, dropped one. And then we'll do its chin. Get that in there. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. I hope you like, subscribe and comment on below, and see you next time. Bye.